Abusia, we dey a quick one just in NDC for Omante Asempa Omoda sorry ya yare hosem ena omate ewo omo party nim ni nyina ne se Isaac Batsa ono ena secretary ema Akuapem North NDC Constituency watwa nananom ewo nsie do na abusia kwan a opanyin ofas wuye no obia nwanwa ne titiri ni NDC fo a omo Akuapem North Constituency omoda sorry ya omko hunu se omo secretary metre Isaac Batsai wawu eda hotel bi ewo Amanokrom eda adwuada ya na kwan a no wafaso wawu no abusua ene mpanimfo eguso mu hwehwemu se de be ya obehu de nam so a ekofa omo secretary ni wuo ede baaye wei ena Same Awuku ono so oye amanoni kese pa Same Awuku ono ene member of parliament edema Akuapem North Wadinsembi aba betudwa metre tribute a watwere ama opanyin Isaac Batsa ne de watwa nananom ewonsiedo making can be atremo Same Awuku atwere say I am deeply saddened by the passing of Isaac Batsa, the Akuapem North NDC Constituency Secretary today. Though we belonged to different political parties, he rose above party lines and served both his party and the constituency diligently. It is even harder to believe because our last interaction was just on Saturday. My heartfelt condolences to his family, the constituency executives, regional executives, and the entire NDC fraternity. May his soul rest in peace. We and a tributor Same Awuku ono so atwere ede afa opanyin Isaac Batsa we de NDC fo nyina endue we de ekoso ewo Akuapem North NDC constituency for omo akache na ye de abrem no efrem obrempon na Kwame amo a mawie